Well, hello there. Welcome to today's practical planning tip by ParkBridge Wealth Management. My name is Jonathan Shenkman. I'm the President and Chief Investment Officer of the firm. And today we're going to continue our discussion on women and wealth since it is Women's History Month. And I threw in this pink headband. My daughters thought it would spice up my outfit a bit and women would appreciate it. I'm clueless on fashion, as you could probably tell. So I take my advice from my advisors. And feel free to hit me up in the DMs if you like my headband. I've also been drinking this pink seltzer, absolutely fabulous, just trying to get into the spirit of things. Anyway, the topic I want to discuss today is a continuation from yesterday's discussion on insurance. In particular, I want to discuss insurance planning for women. Let's go through some insurance scenarios that may be helpful for female investors. First is the importance of income protection. For women earning a paycheck outside the home, they should consider disability income insurance. A disability insurance policy will provide their family with a portion of their income in the event they can no longer work, even temporarily due to an accident or illness. If you're young or live a careful life, perhaps you're the kind of protection seems unnecessary. However, keep in mind that approximately 25% of workers in their 20s today will face a disability at some point in their career. And according to a recent study, nearly 1 in 3 single women said they were extremely unprepared for any period of disability if they lost their income. Furthermore, the importance of disability insurance is compounded when one has young kids and needs to pay for help or additional support if mom's no longer able to earn a paycheck. Next is spousal coverage. Not every woman earns an income outside the home. Women who stay at home to take care of the kids and manage the household are also major contributors. In fact, according to a calculation done by salary.com, they found that if a stay at home mom were paid a salary based on all of the work they do, they would earn approximately $178,000 a year. So I'm not exactly sure how they arrived at that number, but the point is still valid. If a woman who's a homemaker taking care of the family had to stop due to unforeseen health circumstance, everyone in the family would be impacted and the proper support would need to be hired and paid for. In order to protect your family from this kind of emergency, review the option of spousal coverage. There's also always important topic of traditional life insurance. As women advance in the workplace, they're more likely to have people who depend on them financially. With this in mind, a life insurance policy can help provide a financial protection for others in the event of your premature death. You can change the beneficiaries of your policy at any time. If you have young children, perhaps a trust should be the beneficiary of such a policy. The most common and affordable type of life insurance is called term life insurance, where one is covered for a set period of time like 10 years or 30 years. Unless you have clients with extremely large illiquid estates, term insurance should be adequate. At the very least, it's a good starting point to ensure that their clients have some element of coverage to protect their families. The point here is that even as women reach milestones in the workplace, they still experience discrepancies, especially when it comes to protecting their successes, in particular their assets and income. It's important to develop an appropriate insurance strategy for your female clients to ensure they get the coverage that they need. And with that, I hope you found this practical planning tip helpful. Until next time, stay prudent and practical, and don't forget to plan ahead.